the question number 22. Find the equation of the tangent and the normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4x at a point this is given. So it is very easy. We have to take the derivative and at point we say dy by dx at point A at the given point, and then that will be the slope, and then we have to find the equation of tangent. For finding the slope of a normal, we have to multiply with, we have to inverse it and multiply with -1 and this point. So it is simple. First you have to take the derivative of it and dy by dx, and you have to find out the value at this point. This is x and this is y. Is it? Substituting that, you have to get the value of it. Is it? That will be slope, and 2 points is given. So if the slope and 2 points are given, we know how to find the equation. So that is pretty simple. So let's say y square is equal to 4ax, dy by dx is equal to 2y, dy by dx is equal to 4a. So dy by dx is equal to 4a upon 2y. So dy by dx is it? So dy by dx at 80 square and 280, it is substitute the value of y here, only y, there is no x here. So substitute the value of y, so 280, so this 4 will cancel out, e and a will cancel out, it will be 1 upon t. So dy by dx at 80 square comma 280 is 1 upon t. So the equation of the tangent passing through the point and having the slope 1 by t is this. Is it? You know this thing how to do it. And slope of normal will become my inverse of 1 upon t is t, and multiply with -1, so minus t. So you get this point, and also slope of equation also we can get. Prove that the curve x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k cut at a right angle if 8k square is equal to 1. First we have to see this one. This we have to prove. This should be proved. What is given that? Prove that the curve, these two curves are there cut right angle. Right angles means they are perpendicular to each other. Is it? It means that the slope are, these two are perpendicular. These two curves are perpendicular to each other. Okay, if they are perpendicular to each other, then slope, product of the slope is -1. Okay, so now we understood how to prove that. We have to find the slope of this equation. Consider this as a m1. Slope as m1, then we have to find the slope xy is equal to k. We have to consider this slope of this equation as m2. Is it? And since they are perpendicular to each other, product of this two, m1 into m2 is equal to -1. Substitute in that and solve. You must get this equation, 8k square is equal to 1. If we get that, then it is proved. Okay, so let's see. X is equal to y square and xy is equal to k. So if you take the derivative of it, okay, so first you substitute, because these are two same product. Get the value of x and y from this. Okay, and then you'll see what to do. So get the value of x and y. So what we left from first and second, what you have to do, substitute the value of x here in second. X is y square, so y square into y is equal to k. So y cube is equal to k, then y is equal to k 1 by 3. Is it? Now squaring the second equation, x square y square is equal to k square, implies is, what is your y square? Y square is x. Is it? So x square into x is become x cube. Is it? Here y square value is substituted, y square is x, so x square into x is equal to k square. So x cube is equal to k square, implies is x is equal to, if you divide this, taking cube root on both the sides, you will get x is equal to 2 by 3 cube. Okay, isn't? So we got the point x and y. Is it? Now we will take the derivative of the first equation, derivative with respect to x. We get this one, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2y. So derivative with respect to dy by dx at this point, given point, we found x and y. Okay, it will become 1 upon 2k 1 by 3. Let m1 is equal to 1 upon 2k 1 by 3. Is it? Then second equation we have to consider. So x into dy plus y is equal to 0. So dy by dx is minus y upon x. At which point you have to check? This point, k 2 by 3 and k 1 by 3. Is it? If you check it, then k 1 by 3, substitute the value, you will get, let m2 is equal to, this will get 1 upon k 1 by 3. So let m2 is equal to minus 1. Is it? It should be minus 1. Let it will be, let m2 is equal to minus 1 k 1 by 3, but they are perpendicular to each other, therefore m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. If you multiply and simplify this, you will get this value, 1 is equal to 8k square. Is it? If you multiply here, what do you get? Okay, this is minus and minus, so this is goes on that side, so it will become plus, and this will be multiplied. Okay, it will be multiplied, then 1 by 3, 1 by 3, it is 2 k 1 by 3 plus, it is 1 by 3 like this, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, it is 2, 2, it is 2 by 3. Is it? So you will get 2 by 3. This is minus and this is also minus, so it is move on that side, minus side, so it will become plus. So it is 1 upon 2 k 2 by 3 is equal to plus 1. Okay, so this will multiply here, so 1 is equal to 2k 2 by 3. Is it clear? Okay, taking cube root on both the sides, so this will cancel. What is a cube of 1? Cube of 1 is 1, and 2k 2 by 3, so 2 2s are 8, this will be cube root of 2 is 8, and this will cancel out. Okay, why did it cube? Because you want to remove the cube factors, so you'll get 1 is equal to 8k square. On to question number 24. Find the equation of the tangent and the normal to the hyperbola x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1 at a point x0, y0. Is it? So you have to take the derivative and point, so dy by dx will get, at dy by dx will take, if the derivative will take of this derivative, then, and then you have to substitute x0, y0, derivative dy by dx at x0, y0, then we will get slope of tangent. If we inverse and multiply it with minus 1, we will get the slope of normal, and 2 points is already given, so we can find the equation of a line. Is it? So let's see here, what is it I done here? X square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1, derivative with respect to x, so 2x a square minus 2y b square dy by dx is equal to 0. Is it? Okay, then this minus sign whole will keep on this side, will bring out on this side, so then what will get? 2x upon a square is equal to 2y b square dy by dx. Is it? Okay, you want to find dy by dx, so it will be multiplied here, so 2x b square upon a square 2y. Is it? 2y. So 2 and 2 will cancel out, so dy by dx is equal to 2 and 2 will cancel out, dy by dx will be b square upon a square into x upon y. Is it? So dy by dx at point x0, y0 will be equal to b square a square x0 upon y0. Okay, we've got a point here. What we got? And point. So equation of the tangent, we got a slope now. So the equation of the tangent passing through x0, y0 having a slope b square a square into x0, y0 is what? Y minus y0 is equal to mx minus x0. That is equation. We substitute x, y minus y0 is equal to, what was the slope? B square a square x0 upon y0 into x minus x0. If you cross multiply it, let this goes on this side. Okay, like this. Now there are two ways. This is shortest way, so we'll follow that one. Okay, multiply inside now. If you multiply inside, what we get? A square y y0 minus, if you multiply inside, a square y y0 whole square is equal to b with x. So what to b square x0 x or x x0 minus b square x into x0 into x0, it is x0 square. So we'll collect x0 and y0 one side and rest on other sides. Is it? So this is what will become here. Okay, this will bring on this side. So what we will get? B square x into x0 minus b square y0 whole square is equal to x square y y0 minus x square x0 into x0 it is x0 square. So we'll collect x0 and y0 one side and rest on other sides. Is it? So this is what will become here. Okay, this will bring on this side. So what we will get? B square x into x0 and a square y into y0 and the y square and x square on one side, is it? So we'll bring on these sides, then what we'll get, b square is equal to x0 whole square minus a square y0 square, is it? Dividing by a square y square. If you divide by a square y square, what you get here, is it? B is cancel out. A square b square cancel out. So it will become x0 upon a square minus y0 upon b square is equal to x0 square a square minus upon a square x0 square upon a square minus y0 square upon b square, is it? But the given equation is what? x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. So at point x0 y0 will be equal to x0 square upon a square minus y0 square upon b square is equal to 1. So this quantity become 1. Hence x0 upon a square minus y0 upon b square is equal to 1. Is it? Now second part is left of equation of the normal. Is it? No need of finding again. I found it, but again no need of finding what we found here before. You have to inverse it and multiply with minus 1. So we'll get a slope of normal. Then substitute in the slope of normal. Okay, is it? Then multiply here. Now this is dividing a square b square, dividing by a square b square y0 x0. If you divide, okay, after taking common, is it? First you take common. Yes, after multiplying with this. Okay, this just multiply, so you'll get y minus y0 and this will be x minus x0, is it? No need of multiplying inside, let it be like this. Okay, here if you say no need of doing that. Okay, so just divide it, multiply here and divide it by a square x square y x0 y0, divide it. So what will get? If you divide this one, this quantity will get if you multiply here, okay, and bring out the inside, is it? Then multiply with, and so divide it with, is it? Let me write it here it is a multiply. So y minus y0, okay, I'll write that first. What is that? B square x0, then y minus y0 is equal to, okay, minus a square y0, then x minus x0. Okay, now dividing by a square b square y0 x0, is it? Okay, if you divide it, you'll get this one. This is the required equation. Equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to root, what is that, 3x minus 2, which is parallel to the given line. So this is the curve and this is the tangent. Okay, so we have to find the equation of this tangent which is parallel to the given line. If these lines are parallel, the slopes are equal. So we have to find the slope of this. We have to find the slope of this tangent by taking dy by dx. Equate these two. Find out the value of x. We'll get, equating this, we'll get a value of x, and substituting in the equation of the curve, we'll get a y. You got a point, and the slope is already there. The slope of this equation will be the slope of the tangent because they are parallel. Then we got a slope, we got a 2 point x and y, then we can get the equation of the tangent. Is it? Why? Because the tangent, these two lines are parallel, so slopes are equal. So you will get the slope from here and we will get slope from here, but these slopes are equal, so you will get a value of x. After substituting the value of x in y, you will get a value of y here. Is it? This equation will get a y. So we got a x point xy, and the slope is already, slope of these lines are equal, means slope we got, 2 points we got. So an equation of the tangent can be found. This easily can find out. Is it? So slope of the given line is in linear form. It is a linear form. If this linear form, the slope is minus a upon b. So slope of the line 4x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 is minus a upon b minus 4 upon minus 2, that is 2. So slope of a tangent dy by dx is equal to, okay, of the required given line. What is the given? This one, dy by dx. Is it with respect to power we have to take? So 1 upon 2 root 3x minus 2. Now we have to take the derivative of 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. Minus 2 is 0 and 3x is 3. So 3. So 3 by 2 will be 3 by 2 root 3x minus 2 dy by dx. Is it? But this is the slope of this line is what? 2. So it will be equal to 2. If you simplify this, since this here root is there, so you have to square on both the sides. Okay, squaring on both the sides, we get 9, 16, and this root will vanish and we will get 3x minus 2. So 9 by 16 is equal to 3x minus 2. If you bring it 2 on this side, so you will get 9 by 16 plus 2 upon 1 is equal to 3 is equal to 3x. So x value will be equal to 41 upon 48. And if you substitute in the required given equation of the curve and value of x, if you substitute here value of x, y is equal to 3, 41 upon 48 minus 2. Is it? So 41 into 3 and 48 into 2. If you multiply this and simplify it, is it? Okay, or you cancel this 3, you will get 16 and then take LCM. Okay, then also y is equal to 9 by 16. Okay, what I did, you just cancel it, it will become 16. So 41 upon 16 minus 2. So take a LCM, 16 to the 32. So 41 minus 32 upon 16. So y is equal to 9 by 16. So y is equal to 3 by 4. So we got 2 points and the slope also we got. So equation of tangent can be easily find out. The equation of the tangent passing through 41 upon 48 comma 3 by 4 having slope 2 is equal to, what is that? Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Substitute that and simplify, we'll get the equation of the tangent equal to 2x square plus 33 sin x. So dy by dx is equal to 2 to the 4x 3 cos x. So at dy by dx at x is equal to 0, if you substitute cos 0 is 1, so 3 into 1 3. So slope of a normal will be minus 1 by 3, which is option D. Now this is equation and this is equation of the curve. What we have to find? Point of intersection. So what is comparing this? What will be the value of slope? Y is equal to mx plus c. M will be 1. If you take derivative of this, then and equating it to 1, you will get a value of y. So if you equate it, y square is equal to 4x, 2y dy by dx is equal to 4. Is it? So 2 and 2 will cancel, so 2. So 2y. So dy by dx is equal to 2 upon y is equal to 1. Is it? But what is a dy by dx? Dy by dx m here. Comparing this, we got 1. So if you substitute dy by dx as 1, is it? So 2y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 2. If y is equal to 2, substituting this equation, is it? Y is equal to 2 means 2 2s are 4. 4 and 4 cancel out. X is equal to 1. So the point is 1, 2, which is option A.